This is a I.C.T loader, PCB loader that is full automatically that we can use for load that PCB in that printer. And I think this is a good company that I.C.T from China. We just bought it now, so it's I think it's gonna very helpful for us. Okay, and this one is pick and place that also bought from that I.C.T company from China. So I think it's a very fast, very fast. So it's gonna so much help in future. So and we have we.
Lucas running for those days.
Yeah, actually Lucas is so much helpful for us for making a training and to teach us how to use this robot machine pick and place. I know it's gonna work. Okay, so we have another I.C.T unloader. Okay, this is also from I.C.T company. This is unloader. Before I show that is a loader that automatically load that PCB on that printer and then pick and place, and then we can solder that by oven. So when that PCB is finished, it's automatically load in that our magazine. Okay.
Are you sure I.C.T company is good?
I think yeah, it's very good.
Thank you.